Hello everyone, this is 2023 most popular vending machine for selling instant noodles. The outer packaging can be customized to your favorite color and logo. This machine can also be used to sell milk tea coffee and other products that require hot water brewing. Customers can directly click on the screen to select products. After that, the product will draw by itself. Tear off the outer packaging. Please open the small door. Put this noodle and click this button. The machine will automatically dispense hot water. Finally, a cup of hot instant noodles is ready. Please enjoy it.